Good morning and welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So here we have Jaguar XF 3-litre diesel V6 Portfolio Sportbrake automatic 275 brake horsepower S model, dark sapphire blue metallic ivory leather Kalimos black 20-inch bolted alloy wheels. Right, 78,000 miles, 2 owners, fantastic service history, 10 services, cam belt replaced at 67,000 miles, £13,495. Oh, what a car. Black pack, so black grills, daytime LED running lights, front park sensors, got new disc and pads on the front and 2 new tyres, privacy glass, reverse camera, lovely example this. So serviced by Jaguar at 16, 18, 21, 30, 37, and then independent at 46, 53, 59, 67 and 75,000 miles, including the cam belt done. 10 services, mint wheels, keyless entry, keyless start, all the black bits down there in the front bumper, gloss black window surrounds, gloss black blade on the tailgate, gloss black diffuser in the rear spoiler, Meridian HiFi, Jaguar fitted mats, electric seats, memory seats, heated seats, chilled seats, sports seats, electric steering column, memories on the driver's seat, multifunction steering wheel, big Meridian 825 watt HiFi, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, blind spot monitoring, obviously, yeah, heated seats. Lovely example. £13,495. We have had lots and lots of these. Suede canvas headlining. This is one of the nicest we've had. Stunning example. Power tailgate. Lovely and clean in the boot area, load covers there as it should be. Press the button, close the tailgate. What a lot of car this. £13,495. Still one of the nicest estate cars I ever drive. Great looking, well specced. Two keys, 2 owners, serviced 3,000 miles ago, had the cam belt done, beautiful thing. 78,275 miles, piano black on the inside, dash trimmings, sports seats, memory seats, chilled seats, reverse camera, DAB radio, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, paddles for the gear change, dynamic mode, so if we press that button, I don't know whether it'll do it with the door open, yeah, dynamic mode, so sports mode, 275 brake horsepower, S model, dark sapphire blue, ivory leather, stunning car. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other Jaguar XFs in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again. Nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 10 years. If you subscribe to Barclay Motor Company 5243, you will be the first person. Every time we have a fresh car come into stock, you will get a little notification and be one of the first people in the country to know what fresh stock we have had arrive. That's if you subscribe to Barclay Motor Company 5243 on YouTube. Thank you very much for your time today and goodbye.